Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. I've had a lot of laundry supply coupon deal requests this week, so I put together these easy-to-do deals that you can do to stock up and save a lot of money at Dollar General this Saturday, June 3rd. So let's get started. For this deal, you're going to want to grab one Downy Rinse and Refresh, one bag of Tide Pods, one box of Gain Dryer Sheets, and one of the Dionne Power Wash starter kits. After all coupons, of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that. Our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.40 plus tax. In case you're wanting to stock up on fabric softener and scent booster beads, this is a great deal for you to do. Grab one bottle of Downy fabric softener, the one that is $10.95, and then two medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks. After all the coupons here you got to clip, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.95 plus tax. Now, I do have to say that a lot of the deals in today's video are super beginner friendly because they don't have a lot of different pieces to it. So if you're new to couponing and you just want to get your feet wet and get your confidence, these are all really great deals to start with. Like this deal, grab one of the big bottles of Gain detergent, one CoverGirl eye pencil set, and then one pack of these Skintimate razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.65 plus tax, which makes for a crazy savings of 58% off. I love deals like this. Hands down, one of my favorite Dollar General laundry cleaning supplies that not a lot of people tend to know about because it's an off-brand is this True Living OxiCleaner. It is hands down an amazing substitute to name brand OxiClean. Not that OxiClean isn't a great product, it really is, but it tends to be really expensive. And you can get these same size tubs for only $5 each. So we're going to get them in this deal. Grab 2 tubs of that True Living OxiCleaner, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaner, and 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $11.25 plus tax, which is amazing when you consider we're only paying $1.25 more than just the full price of the OxiCleaners alone, which makes everything else for free, which is an amazing deal, right? If you love couponing and you've been enjoying these deal videos, one of the easiest and freest ways to help support my channel and the content that I work every week to post is to subscribe here to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you as part of our community. And hit the thumbs up like button and leave me a comment down below. I really love it when you guys leave comments. I always try to respond to every single one of them. So I would love for you if you could take a moment of your time, I know you're super busy, to engage with my content. It'd be greatly appreciated. So for this deal, grab one bottle of the Downy Rinse and Refresh. By the way, if you've tried this product, please leave me a comment down below. I'm really curious about it. I've never tried it before, and I am interested in your input. Grab one of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener. It's a medium-sized bottle now that I think about it. 1 pack of Skintimate razors, and 1 $4 size bottle of Clorox bleach. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $13.65 plus tax. For this deal, grab 2 medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks and one of the Ariel Essential Mist starter kits. This deal is so beginner-friendly. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14 even plus tax. One of my favorite times of my deal videos is when I point out to you guys my favorite deal of the video, and I'm pretty sure this is it for me. Grab 2 Shout stain removers, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Cleaners, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and 1 Dionne Power Wash. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $11.75 plus tax, and that's a 58% off savings. You cannot beat that. I was super excited to see that the Dreft detergent coupon came back again. We've been getting a lot more frequently this year, which is pretty exciting. And if it's a product that you want to stock up on, here's a great deal for you. Grab 1 bottle of the Dreft detergent and 2 bottles of the Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $13.50 plus tax. One of the main items that I want to personally focus on stockpiling in this year is for sure white vinegar. I've been using it to substitute a lot of things around my house, including a lot of my cleaners and my fabric softener. It's been working amazing. So if you're like me and you want to stock up, this is a great deal for us to do. Grab 2 gallon-sized bottles of the Clover Valley white vinegar, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and 2 medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $15.25 plus tax, of course, which is amazing when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the white vinegar. Next up, for this deal, grab 1 medium-sized bottle of Downy fabric softener, 2 Mr. Clean cleaners, a Downy rinse and refresh, and 1 CoverGirl eye pencil set. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.85 plus tax, and that's a 58% off savings. If you're looking for even more couponing deals, check out the pinned comment down below. It has all the information for my Patreon page, where I'm excited to tell you that I am now offering a 1-week free trial for my Patreon membership, the $5 a month plan. And for a small monthly fee every month, you gain access to things like my complete couponing deals list, and you get recognized in my YouTube video descriptions. I thank all of my Patreon members in all of my videos. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Now, as a little bit of a surprise to thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video, which, by the way, makes a huge difference for my YouTube channel, so it's greatly appreciated, I have a little bit of a surprise for you. I want you to leave me a comment down below. I don't care what it is. Tell me hi. Tell me what you're excited to coupon this week, where you're from, and I'm going to randomly pick one of the people in the comments, and I have a little bit of a surprise for you. I'm going to give you a free set of my Dollar General couponing planner pages. It makes couponing so easy. I'll make sure I announce the winner tomorrow evening, right after I post tomorrow's deal video. And if you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well. That way you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deal videos that I share every week, or one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats. And I will see you in the next video.